Hey everybody, it's Rob Blair, Black Wolf. Today we're going to tear down this Erma la22 long rifle. Pretty sure the spring and the ball are missing out of this, so we're going to probably replace it here in a little bit. But I was just going to do a quick one on breaking this dude down. It's a Luger model. And it shoots the 22 LRs. But first we'll take the mag out, make sure that it's cleared, all's good. Then we're going to take the grips off pretty quick. Just make sure too when you're working on these, put them where you're not going to lose them, or if you accidentally hit them, they're not going to go all over the place and you're ordering parts to replace them. And the only reason I bring that up is because of past practices. So your grips are off. Now, let's see here. Pull this forward, and you have a little tab right here, and it sets right in this here. You pull this back a little bit, and all it does, you just turn it over, and it'll fall out for you. Easy peasy. Then you're able to drift this pin out. You'll have springs, then you have your firing pin and spring. They say as you take them out, it's easier to set them up how they would go in when you go to reassemble all this. Then here's your bolt and everything. I mean, if you wanted to go deep into it, you can take this. This is just a pretty loose pin here. You can push it out. Your bolt will actually come off that, but there's no need in that. Making it any harder than it needs to be. And then your bolt just comes right out, or your slide comes out. And there's the keeper for all of those. And then here's your switch that we're going to be working on right here. Nope. This should push right out. Heck, I don't know, that whole thing maybe broke off, but that should be going there. And then you can pop this out. And let's see, the ball is gone. And there's our little replacement that we're going to use. And you'll be able to tell this one may be a little bit too big. I'll have to get a smaller one. I'll find one. But that's pretty much all there is to taking these apart. I mean, it's pretty simple. And again, just if you decide to do that, take your time with it. I'll make another one on the reassembly. But this right here, this little ball bearing, is what was missing and to keep it from doing, because before all it would do was just flop around. So that's the Erma la22 disassembly, and I'll put one on there when I go to fix it. And once I find the right ball bearing. I thought this was it, but it's not. This is Rob Blair, Black Wolf Outdoor Sports. Shake a hand and thank a vet. Thank you very much.